Did you know that ants can be farmers? Some species of ants form a mutualistic relationship with aphids. The aphids love to eat sugary plant sap and then secrete honeydew, another sugary liquid. Ants love this stuff. In exchange, will care for and protect the aphids like livestock. These ants and aphids can survive without each other, but do much, much better together. This is a classic example of a mutualistic relationship.